Good evening. This side Rahul Magan here as a Group Chief Executive Officer, Treasury Consulting, and also a venture capitalist. As we speak on 17th September 2021, Treasury Consulting Group is a multinational headquartered group based out India, Singapore, and Hong Kong. More importantly, we do have offices in three parts of the globe. We own our own proprietary hedge fund, our proprietary commodities and equity platform, and more importantly, we hold our learnings arm, Sheetal Academy, where we provide training courses, video, audio, and one-to-one trainings, including the corporate trainings. And apart from that, we hold our OTT platform over the top, TRFX Academy, and many more products. In case you wish to have any information, you can definitely WhatsApp on my personal number, which is +91 9899 242 978. Alternatively, you can WhatsApp on our back office, which is +91 9818 485 155. Competition can only be possible provided both the parties are capable enough to sustain in that competition. This is the golden rule. And unfortunately, this golden rule no more exists in the countries like India. And the end result is collapse. But before I explain in detail, let me have an information which published in Indian newspaper Financial Express dated 14th September 2021, page number 4. Amazon India on Monday announced the launch of largest fulfillment center in the country with storage capacity of more than 2.4 million cubic feet in Bangalore. With this launch, Amazon India has increased its overall capacity by 60% and now has more than 6.5 million cubic feet of storage space across 5 fulfillment centers. Now, fulfillment center is nothing but a kind of warehouse. Basically, it's a warehouse where the e-commerce companies are storing their products basically for the storage purpose, for their business operation purpose. Amazon is a highly profitable company at global level. There is hardly any doubt about that. And you would be surprised to know that the revenue which Amazon India is having might not be the total revenue of Indian IT companies, even if I multiply this with many times. This is what the revenue of the Amazon. We all know that all e-commerce players in India are in extensive loss. Flipkart, Snapdeal, Myntra, Jabong, Paytm Mall, and if I missed any name. And unfortunately or fortunately, I'm not in a situation to comment, but Tata's wanted to enter into this stage. Rather, they entered in this stage, to be honest. The biggest question here is that Amazon having the firepower to stay in the business for long. And when I say long, probably more than long, and I hardly doubt that Indian existing e-commerce players, and especially those who are extensively funded by venture capitalists like Flipkart, Snapdeal, Ola, Uber, Flipkart, Snapdeal, Jabong, Myntra, Paytm Mall, and requisite big, Grofers, Udaan, and all. I don't think they would ever come into the profit. At the end result, there would be two options left before venture capitalists. Number one, to take the approval of initial public offer, and you know how to take the approval of initial public offer in India. or to wind up. We seen recently in case of Zomato, they winded up their grocery delivery doorstep business. And history is a witness that many startups winded it up after having big, words like big lectures. Henceforth, the investors needs to understand one thing very clearly and upfrontly, let it be honest, which is, are they in a position to invest in these loss making e-commerce player, those who are coming public? One of them is definitely Paytm, and to take a risk, or they are sensible investor and they simply have a single logic, guys, sorry, I'm not interested. This is Rahul from Treasury Consulting Group. You know my personal number, +91 9899242978. Alternatively, our back office number 9818485155. Have a great time ahead. Thank you.